Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to create your account on BandLab music create music online website. So you have to go BandLab website. So I'm just typing BandLab. So you can see BandLab Technologies is a Singaporean company founded in 2015 that operates a social music platform called BandLab. So it is operates the social music platform. You can create or make music. So I'm just going to enter. Then you can see the option sign up and login. If you didn't create your account yet, then simply click on the sign up. Then here you'll get a couple of options. So through this option you can create your account. First of all, you can create your account manually, like you have to give your name, email and password, then sign up. The easiest way to create your account through this way, like Google or Gmail, Facebook or Apple ID. So this time I'm going to create this account from my Gmail ID. You can try this other option also. So simply click the icon, then you'll get your all email ID here. So I'm just going to click this email, and you have to authorize this, continue. So okay, so now you can see it's successfully created. You can see, let's set up your profile. So it's really easy to create your accounts. Continue. Like you can see, you can change your username later, or you can use right now. So just keep this way, then continue, and you can I'm just continue now. You can choose like tell us more about you, your guitarist, so you can give here. So you have to choose one. I'm just going to choose like other, because I just create this tutorial purpose, like maybe R&B soul. Continue, and skip this way. You can search artist. So you can see, like you have created successfully your account, BandLab account. I'll create more video how to use this website in upcoming tutorial. So today is no more, and see you in the next video.